comparisons to the world's smoggiest cities were fair. In some Sydney suburbs, the air quality was almost 10 times worse than Beijing this morning. Prospect in the northwest had the worst air quality index, followed by Rouse Hill and North Parramatta.
Gusty winds, which then that fire just took hold and changed direction, and residents of Edithburgh, which is just nearby here, they're actually being told to watch and act at the moment because that area is still under threat, because even though the temperatures have dropped, the winds are still quite gusty and there is some concern there. So it's been a really tough night because it was
But deforestation is clearing Earth's forests on a massive scale. And at the current rate of destruction, the world's rainforests could completely disappear within 100 years. The effects of deforestation are grave, but not irreversible.
Substantial melting of the ice sheets, a rise in sea level, permanent drought,
especially in the spike that we now see. I call it an explosion.
I think we're at a crossover where the profit you can make from the solutions is greater than the profit from the problems.
Redwood forest can absorb more carbon than any other forest type on the planet.
We have actually discovered how to pull carbon out of the atmosphere.
We extract CO2 from the air and permanently remove it by turning it into rock.
When you scale this up, our kelp farms can feed the world.
30,000 square miles of solar would power the entire United States.
Either we can stay the course, drown, burn, and starve ourselves to death, or we can come together, we can innovate.
Is it game over, or is it, in fact, game on?
This is one of the harshest places on the planet. By switching your search engine to Ecosia, you can transform landscapes like this into this. Ecosia plants a tree every 1.1 seconds, bringing back rain, wildlife, and livelihoods. Switch your search engine to Ecosia and help reverse the effects of climate change. Head to www.ecosia.org to make Ecosia your search engine.